On July 27, 2024, Trooper Alexandria Duncan attempted to stop Angel Zapet Alvarado, who was driving 114 miles per hour in heavy traffic and initially refused to stop. After stopping on the shoulder, Zapet Alvarado refused to exit the vehicle and tried to flee, but the trooper took his keys. He ignored commands and resisted arrest.
Get out of the car! Roll over! Roll over right now!
Why?
Roll over. You're going to jail. Roll over. I'm going to pull the trigger.
Why?
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over on your stomach. Now. Roll over.
I feel like, why? Why?
Roll over.
Why?
Roll over on your stomach. Roll over. On your stomach.
Okay, I'm done.
Roll over.
Okay.
Now.
Okay.
Roll over.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Roll over.
I'm done.
Roll over.
Okay.
During the struggle, he grabbed the trooper's taser and threw it into traffic, then kicked her in the head multiple times. A civilian, Kylie Sutton, tried to help the trooper.
Give me that taser now.
No. Because esto me come.
Trooper Duncan fired one shot, striking Zapet Alvarado in the head. He was hospitalized and later taken into custody. Tests showed he had alcohol and cannabinoids in his system. On June 28, 2024, Patrolman Rammel spotted Mary McElroy. Knowing she had an active warrant and a violent history, he requested backup.
Okay, Mary, you have a warrant. You're going to come.
Deputy Hardy arrived and helped move the situation away from traffic. Both officers struggled with McElroy, but eventually placed her in restraints.
That river, bitch. Oh well. I got her on. Job, man. Turn over. Says okay about killing Zay. Yeah, once you get it. That river there, buddy. Oh, you put a little plastic in child murder. See if we can get up on her side.
During the struggle, Rammel was injured and spit on, requiring medical treatment. McElroy was taken to jail and charged with resisting arrest, obstruction, and assault on an officer. On September 16, 2024, Pleasant Prairie Police stopped a limousine for a registration issue after it was seen driving unusually slow. The driver sped off, triggering a pursuit. The suspect tried to pass traffic on the shoulder, but lost control and crashed into a ditch. He then ran from the vehicle, leading to a foot chase.
Get on the ground! I'm running after him. Put your hands on your back right now. Get on the ground! Listen here.
A police K-9 tracked the suspect, who was found hiding and fought with an officer, even biting him. K-9 chase was deployed, subduing the suspect, who was then taken into custody.
Watch out! Move, move, move! Dog! Dog! Put your hands behind your back! 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 Stellan! Get him! Stellan! Hands on your back! Put your hands behind your back! Stellan! Good Stellan! Come on, roll over! On your stomach! Get on your stomach! Stellan! Good Stellan! Good Stellan! Stop fighting. The less you fight, the better. Okay, glasses are gone. Sorry, my radio's gone. Let them out.
On September 17, 2024, Stark County deputies responded to a report of a person in a costume holding a knife in Canton Township.
Stop! 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 Get down! Quick! Still got the knife! Still has a knife! Starcom taser deployed!
Deputies quickly located the masked suspect, who brandished the knife at them and then fled on foot. The suspect ran into live traffic. Deputies worked quickly to stop vehicles and prevent an accident.
What's your name?
I have that. I have that.
What's your name?
Go ahead. Okay.
What's your name?
Roll you.
Yep.
Okay. Roll towards Sarge. Stop
You
with that.
need to leg up.
Where's that knife at?
What's your name? Huh? Dude, you know how close you come from getting shot?
I got something here in this back.
Something on this side too.
We got a backpack on underneath here.
What?
We're going to take this
Yeah,
off.
you want to just cut the backpack straight?
No.
No?
No. No. Got the string.
What's your name? Undo this. Roll him back over.
A deputy deployed a taser, and the suspect was safely taken into custody without further incident.